Hello subscribers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news as CMA CGM unleashes the Python double-stack train service in India. CMA CGM, the fourth largest container line in the world, has further strengthened their presence in India with the launch of their Python train service on the 1st of February 2021 using the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor (WDFC) from New Kashmir Junction in Rajasthan. The Python train service clubs two double-stack container trains, each carrying 180 containers, and pulled by 3 locomotives. One of these two double-stack ship-to-rail dedicated trains will leave from Mundra while the other will leave from Pipavav and will be clubbed at New Kashmir Junction for the onward journey on the WDFC to New Italy Junction. From there it will be split for further movement to Gateway Rail's Inland Container Depot, Gurugram, Garhi Harsaru. These train services will be operated in association with Gateway Rail Freight Limited, a unit of Mumbai-listed Gateway Distriparks Limited. Commenting on launch, Sachin Banushli, Chief Executive Officer and whole-time Director, Gateway Rail Freight Limited, said running Python trains will increase the throughput and improve the overall turnaround time of trains. This, in turn, will help in increasing the efficiency as well as reducing the cost for customers. Python trains will become a regular feature, he said, adding that this is how the operations are going to be on the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor once it becomes fully operational. The 306 km long Rewari, Madar section of the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, WDFC, was opened on January 7 by the Prime Minister of India. These services on the WDFC is expected to benefit industries in Gurgaon, Mansar, Rewari, Neemrana industrial areas of Haryana and Rajasthan and ensure faster rail transportation of international cargo between the National Capital Region and Mundra, as well as Port Pipavav ports in the state of Gujarat. Commenting on this milestone, Atta Mahajan, MD of CMA CGM India, said, "The Python rail service is one of the premier service and will be a game-changer in the industry. This service is being run in the dedicated freight corridor and will significantly reduce the transit time. It will increase our cargo capacity and will also enhance our intermodal offerings to our customers." The Western Dedicated Freight Corridor is one of the visionary projects of the Government of India and it surely will boost the existing intermodal infrastructure in the country. The CMA CGM Group has had a strong presence in India for over 3 decades, operating 12 services with 12 weekly calls weekly, employing 4,700 people in India. Freight train services are developing around the world and there is big expectations for this to assist in improving transit times and intermodal operations.